Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we are thinking table minis for these items. Let's go! Okay, so we have here two items from our Singapore trip, which is Spider-Man on our right here, and on the left we have the Starrophyte. I think these are LEs or something. Okay, so just a quick background. During our Singapore trip, we bought a lot of items from one of the store there, Table Minis. So you can check out their website for details. Okay, so and the owner of the shop, I forgot the name, but shout out to Sir. Okay, gave us some freebies together with our purchase. Okay, so and we're looking at them for this particular video. First one being Spider-Man. So this one is similar to the Iconix Spider-Man pose. Okay, so I don't have the Iconic Spider-Man, so that's why I'm happy to get a hold of at least one character that has the same pose. Okay, so Spider-Man is set number 002B. Okay, Spider-Man Family Reporter keywords, a special damage power biting quips, perplex but only to modify values by -2, so most likely against opponents. And he has the team ability of Spider-Man, which is Super Senses but only succeed on a 6. But if you already have Super Senses like Spider-Man has on the first 2 clicks of his dial, then your roll for Super Senses is increased by 1. Okay, so charge in cap senses, and then 4 range, 2 targets, and that's it. Peter Parker, straightforward. Okay, what's unique is that it has a purple, he is standing on a purple base. Okay, so which is a bit unique compared to other figures. Okay, so a must-have for Spider-Man collectors. And the second figure we're looking at is Starrophyte. Let's open it up for now. The cutie Starrophyte. Okay, so this is of course the LE version of the one from DC Notorious. So he is too small, even the camera cannot capture his full appearance. Okay, so anyway, so let's take a look. Starrophyte is DC 23-100, Secret Society of Supervillains, Animal and Cosmic, with a Cosmic Energy team ability. And he has a special movement, Alien Parasite. Mind Control. When Starrophyte uses it and hits, until your next turn, hit characters can target Starrophyte. Okay, so he has a control over them until your next turn. Okay, it's a bit weird though because the special movement, there seemed to be no special movement power on his dial, so this would probably have been errated into a trait perhaps. Okay, so if you know, please tell me in the comments what's the errata. So no other power, real name is Varius, the first significant appearance is Forever Evil number 1, 2013. And you can see the powers here for sidestep 11 all throughout the dial, with precision strike, mastermind 16, shape change and tiny, and 4 range 1 target. Okay, and 35 points. Okay, so Spider-Man, by the way, is 40 points. Okay, so that's it for our quick video. So I hope you're able to get your hands on some of this. Okay, so if not, what can we do? Okay, we can order online, or better yet, order from Table Minis. So bye bye guys, until the next video.